everyone. Good luck to all of you bettors. Gates open, they're up and racing. Lovable Princess draws for their lead, moving up Hot Gossip. Then on the outside is Yes Sir, I'm Yours, Sir Frederick is by the rail. And moving up now is Janie Cole, then followed by entry number 1, and that's Devil in Disguise. About to pass the last 800 and going to the last 600. The top favorite, Hot Gossip, takes command of a Lovable Princess in second. And down in third is Yes Sir, I'm Yours, Sir Frederick, Friendly Fire. As they round towards the last 450, it's still the favorite, Hot Gossip, fighting back once again by the release, Lovable Princess. Yes Sir, I'm Yours remains in third, Sir Frederick. With the last 250 more to run, we have Hot Gossip running on the outside. Lovable Princess is by the rail. Yes sir, I'm Yours, Friendly Fire dreaming again. 100 meters more to run, we have Lovable Princess. Hot Gossip is on the outside. Hot Gossip, Lovable Princess, and finally Hot Gossip, Lovable Princess, Friendly Fire. Then comes Renzi Stays. Yes sir, I'm Yours, dreaming again, Sir Frederick, Janie Cole, and number 1, Devil in Disguise.